Greetings, it's Reed from K-10 Martial Arts Academy. Today we're going to be covering the second in the Naihanchi series, Naihanchi Nidan. I will be doing a breakdown of each individual sequence, and then I will be mirroring the form. So I will be going from left to right, and if you copy me, you'll go from right to left. I'll do it nice and slow for demonstration purposes, and I hope you enjoy. Right, thank you. Greetings. In this section, I'm just going to cover the hand motions of the Naihanchi Nidan form. The footwork is the same as Shodan, so you'll see that in the demonstration, but for this purpose, we're just going to cover the hands, okay? So the opening part, you're going to start out with your hands like this. So you're not doing this, you're just starting here. Right? You're going to do a cross step to your right, and you're going to bring your hands up to your sternum here. You don't want to go too high. You want to keep your elbows down along with your shoulders like this. Okay? So just think about your sternum is here. You're going to take these knuckles to the center of your chest where the rib cage meets right here. Boom. Right? And then you're going to step to the right, cross-stepping, and you're going to land in this position here. Think of this position as the wave step, and then the wave kick, and then the rotation here. So it's the same movement here. So you go from 1, 2. From here, you do another cross step, and you're going to bring your forearm in, and your other hand is going to rest right in the crease of your arm here. So it's going to go here, right on the bicep, right here. Okay? And then you're going to step again and push your arm to the side this way. Okay? Second set, you're going to just step back to here, and shift over, and you're going to go here, 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 here. From this point, it changes. You're going to draw your hand to your hip like this, and then you're going to switch like this. So you go from here, and then you're going to do this and bring it down to your hip. Okay? So you go 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me stand up a little higher. So you go 1, 2, 3. Okay? From here, you're going to bring your hands together. You're going to bring your knee up, and you're going to rotate around like this. Your fist is going to go 1, 2, like this to this position. So you go 1. Wait. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to bring this out here. Okay? And then hook. You're going to cross step, and you go 1, 2, 3, and then you do the other thing, you do the same thing on the other side. You're going to go 1, right? 2, 3, 4, cross step, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to bring it in. Okay, that's the breakdown of the hand movements. Now I'm going to perform it slowly in a mirror. So I'm going to go to my left while you go to your right so you can copy it. And I'll go slow enough so that you can hopefully follow along. All right. I hope that was useful. Let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, train hard.